An animal can't deny reality. A starving wolf doesn't pretend it's not hungry, but humans do something no other creature does. We lie to ourselves so convincingly that we actually believe the lie. Psychologist Daniel Goleman calls this self-deception. It's a defense mechanism where you literally rewire your memory to make painful truths disappear. Someone betrays you. Instead of facing the pain, your brain edits the memory. You convince yourself they had good intentions. You believe your own lie. A person drinks every night. Instead of admitting addiction, they rationalize. Everyone drinks. I'm just social. My brain creates fake evidence to support the lie. This seems like a flaw. It's actually a survival mechanism. In a small tribe, if you truly believed every negative thought about yourself, you'd be paralyzed by shame. Self-deception protected our ancestors. Researcher Shelley Taylor found that people with moderate self-delusion are actually more successful and happier than people who see reality clearly. Depressed people see the world accurately. Healthy people lie to themselves. The cruel truth is this: mental health might be built on carefully maintained illusions. But here's where it breaks down. In modern life, self-deception doesn't just protect you anymore, it destroys you. You deny obvious red flags in relationships. You convince yourself you're making progress toward goals you've abandoned. You rewrite your past to match the person you wish you were. Your brain becomes a propaganda machine, constantly editing reality to match your preferred narrative. The more intelligent you are, the better you become at self-deception. Smart people are better at constructing convincing lies that even they believe. So the smartest person in the room might also be the most deluded, locked in an elaborate fictional reality they've constructed so skillfully they can't see through it. Neuroscientist David Eagleman found that your conscious mind doesn't even make most of your decisions. It just watches what your brain does and then invents a story to explain it. You don't choose to believe the lie. You choose the lie after your brain already believed it. Your sense of self might be entirely fictional, a story your brain tells about actions it already took, decisions it already made, beliefs it already holds. And the scariest part? You'll never know where the truth ends and the self-deception begins. So when you catch yourself believing something you know isn't true, you're not weak. You're experiencing the exact mechanism that kept your ancestors alive. The mechanism that's now keeping you trapped in a story you wrote without knowing it.